We had one-size-fits-all approach prior to our arrival, and now it's tailored at the individual customer level. That is the power of AI.
Welcome to another episode of Optimum Insider. Super excited to be here with Marc Sirota, our Chief Financial Officer. Today we're going to be talking about AI and all the exciting initiatives that we have to help us drive this transformation forward. Marc, I love transformation, but I also love innovation, which we couldn't have even imagined thinking about when we started this journey. And so now it's fun because we're in the mode of innovation and we're thinking about real practical uses for AI into tools and processes and systems. So what's got you excited about AI and particularly this Google announcement that we just made?
Yeah, I'm very excited about how we're deploying AI. It was one of the first things that you and I did when we first joined. The company was really establish a data-minded culture. And we brought our data teams together under one leader, and we drove massive change. We've implemented real AI and ML into our operations. Every single call agent now is assisted by AI through our Ava product. Unheard of. So we had one-size-fits-all approach prior to our arrival, and now it's tailored at the individual customer level. That is the power of AI. It's just incredible. And so we're just getting started. Couldn't be more excited about what Google now brings to the table. As you think about handling each of our individual customers' needs and our employees' needs so they can get information quickly, so they can resolve issues fast and timely and accurately. Couldn't be more excited about the impact that that's going to have on the business, making us more efficient, but also making sure we're recommending to our customers what they most care about. And some customers don't know the services we offer. And so this engine is just going to fuel growth for us. I couldn't be more excited about it. And it's really knowing your customer. We walk around here talking about connects and disconnects. These are actual customers. And now we have the data at our fingertips to know each and every single customer we have, and we can treat them well and treat them differently.
You know, I love it, and we're learning a lot about AI. I think we knew, hey, there was some low-hanging fruit to help our teammates care for our customers better, whether it was in care, retention. Now we've expanded to sales. I'm excited about the use cases in field and how we're going to be able to more proactively manage the network to deliver a better experience. But what are some other use cases that are on your mind that can really take us to that next level? Maybe it's in the back office. I don't know if on the finance side.
I think there's tremendous amount of automation that can happen through AI. Literally, we were looking through things like even property taxes and tax bills and invoices. Now we can scrape every single invoice that we receive to see if we're paying the right rates.
Okay.
Are we using that service or not?
Yes.
It's just the applications are really endless. Now it's real science, which is really powerful.
And I think it goes back to the culture that we've got to put everything on the table, that we can't be married to kind of the way we used to do things. I know folks get a little bit uncomfortable that, hey, this is kind of my identity is rooted in this process or in this system. But I love the fact that we're having open conversation about not the past, but the path forward.
Yeah, I agree. It's when you don't make it personal, it's just fact-based, data-driven. It really makes it easy to make a decision and move forward.